Today, we are going to discuss about the use of must, must send, and must. In order for us to know the use of must, we must know first the sentence pattern we are going to use. The sentence pattern is where N is the noun and V as the verb. Whether pertains the direct object N in the sentence. I will now give the examples of the verbs we may use. These are the list of verbs we are going to use. Now, we will give examples on how we will construct sentences using must. First, as we follow the sentence pattern we have, we place our noun or the tuna in the N slot. Then we place our verb, eat, in the V slot. Now, we may read our sentence as Maguro wo tabemasu. What will you do if you want to state your sentence in a negative form? I will now give an example of a sentence. Still following the sentence pattern, we'll place our noun in the N slot, followed by the verb in the V slot. But the verb must use masen instead of mas. It indicates that the sentence is stated in a negative form. What will you do if you wanted to ask a question? I will now give an example of asking a question. First, like the two examples I mentioned earlier, we will place the noun N and verb V in the respective slots. After writing the verb, write ka at the end of the sentence. It indicates that the sentence is asking a question.